Gold. The very word evokes images of wealth, luxury, and timeless beauty. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have been captivated by its warm glow. It has adorned kings and queens, fueled empires, and inspired countless tales of adventure and desire. But what exactly is pure gold and what makes it so special? In its purest form, gold is a chemical element, a building block of the universe. It is denoted by the symbol Au on the periodic table, a testament to its Latin name, aurum, meaning glowing dawn. Pure gold is incredibly soft and malleable. This means it can be easily shaped and molded without breaking. It is also incredibly dense, meaning it packs a lot of weight into a small space. This unique combination of properties has made gold highly prized for millennia. It can be hammered into thin sheets, drawn into fine wires, and cast into intricate designs. When we talk about gold purity, we often refer to carats. Pure gold, also known as 24-karat gold, is 99.9% pure. This means that out of every 1,000 parts, 999 parts are pure gold. However, pure gold is rarely used in jewelry because it's so soft. It scratches easily, and can lose its shape. To make gold more durable for everyday wear, it is often alloyed with other metals. These alloys create different colors and levels of hardness. For example, 18-karat gold is 75% gold and 25% other metals, while 14-karat gold is 58.3% gold. Imagine a drawer filled with old jewelry, pieces that hold sentimental value but are no longer worn, perhaps a forgotten earring, a broken chain, or a ring that's gone out of style. These pieces, often gathering dust, are imbued with the potential for a remarkable transformation. They can be melted down and reborn as a single, stunning piece of pure gold. But before we embark on this alchemical journey, we must first determine the carat weight of our gold. This will tell us how much pure gold is actually present in our jewelry. A simple acid test can be performed to determine the carat. This involves applying a drop of acid to the gold and observing the reaction. Section 5. Safety first. Precautions for gold melting. Melting gold is not a task to be taken lightly. It involves extremely high temperatures and requires careful attention to safety. Before we even gather our tools, we must equip ourselves with the proper safety gear. This includes heat-resistant gloves. These will protect our hands from burns caused by molten gold, which can reach temperatures exceeding 1,900 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety goggles. Our eyes are precious and must be shielded from the intense light and heat generated during the melting process. Well-ventilated area. Melting gold releases fumes that can be harmful if inhaled. It's crucial to work in a well-ventilated area or outdoors to allow these fumes to dissipate. Remember, safety is paramount. Always prioritize your well-being when working with high temperatures and molten metals. Section 6. The Alchemist's Arsenal, Tools for the Transformation. To transform our old jewelry into a pure gold bar, we'll need a few essential tools, each playing a crucial role in the alchemical process. Crucible. This is a heat-resistant container, typically made of graphite or clay, that can withstand the extreme temperatures required to melt gold. The crucible is the heart of our operation, holding the precious metal as it transitions from solid to liquid. Think of it as a miniature cauldron for our precious metal. It must be handled with care, using tongs to avoid burns and ensure safety. Furnace or torch. A furnace provides consistent, controlled heat, ideal for larger quantities of gold. The furnace's steady temperature ensures that the gold melts evenly, reducing the risk of impurities. For smaller projects, a propane torch can generate the high temperatures needed to melt gold. It's a versatile tool, perfect for hobbyists and small-scale operations. Borax. This white powder acts as a flux, lowering the melting point of gold and preventing oxidation. By adding borax, we ensure that the gold melts smoothly and remains free from contaminants. It also helps to draw impurities away from the molten gold, ensuring a purer final product. The reaction between borax and the impurities is a fascinating chemical dance, resulting in cleaner, more refined gold. Mold. This will give our molten gold its final shape. The mold is where the magic happens, transforming liquid gold into a solid form. For a classic gold bar, a rectangular mold is ideal. This shape is not only traditional but also practical for stacking and storage. However, you can get creative with different shapes and designs. From intricate patterns to unique forms, the mold allows for endless possibilities in gold crafting. Section 7. From jewelry to liquid gold, the melting process. With our safety gear donned and our tools at the ready, we can begin the transformation process. Safety is paramount when dealing with high temperatures and molten metals. Always ensure you are wearing appropriate protective gear, including heat-resistant gloves, goggles, and a face shield. This will protect you from potential splashes and intense heat. Prepare the crucible. Begin by adding a small amount of borax to the bottom of the crucible. Borax acts as a flux, which helps to purify the gold by absorbing impurities and preventing oxidation. This step is crucial for achieving a high-quality melt. This will prevent the gold from sticking and ensure a clean pour later. A clean pour is essential for creating smooth, defect-free ingots or castings. The borax will form a protective layer, making it easier to separate the molten gold from the crucible. Load the gold. Carefully place your old gold jewelry into the crucible. Make sure the pieces are evenly distributed to promote uniform melting. This step is important to avoid any cold spots that could result in incomplete melting. Avoid overfilling, as this can make it difficult to melt the gold evenly. Overfilling can also lead to spillage, which is both wasteful and potentially dangerous. Aim to fill the crucible to about 2/3 of its capacity. Apply heat. If using a furnace, slowly increase the temperature until the gold melts. The melting point of gold is 1064 degrees Celsius, or 1947 degrees Fahrenheit. Gradually increasing the temperature helps to avoid thermal shock, which can crack the crucible. If using a torch, direct the flame at the base of the crucible, moving it in a circular motion to distribute the heat evenly. This technique ensures that the gold heats uniformly, preventing hot spots that could cause uneven melting or damage to the crucible. Observe the transformation. As the gold heats up, it will begin to glow red. This is a sign that the metal is reaching its melting point. The color change is due to the thermal radiation emitted by the hot metal. With continued heat, it will transition from a solid to a liquid state. This process can take several minutes, depending on the amount of gold and the heat source. Be patient and maintain a steady heat to ensure a complete melt. The borax will also melt, forming a glassy layer on top of the molten gold. This layer helps to trap impurities, making it easier to remove them later. It also protects the molten gold from oxidation. Skim impurities. Once the gold is fully melted, use a graphite rod to skim off any impurities that have risen to the surface. This step is essential for producing high-purity gold. The impurities will form a slag that can be easily removed, leaving behind clean molten gold ready for casting or further processing. Section 8. Unveiling the masterpiece, the pure gold bar. In this chapter we will take you through the meticulous process of transforming raw molten gold into a pristine, gleaming gold bar. This journey is not just about the physical transformation but also about the artistry and precision involved in every step. With the molten gold cleansed and gleaming, it's time to cast our treasure. The process begins with preparing the mold, a crucial step to ensure the final product is flawless. Prepare the mold. Ensure your chosen mold is clean and dry. Any impurities or moisture can affect the quality of the gold bar, leading to imperfections. This step, though simple, is vital for achieving a perfect cast. Apply a thin layer of mold release to prevent the gold from sticking. This ensures that the gold bar can be easily removed once it has solidified. Pour the gold. Carefully pour the molten gold into the mold, using tongs to hold the crucible steady. The precision in this step is crucial as it determines the evenness and shape of the final bar. The molten gold will flow like a liquid fire, filling the mold and taking on its shape. This mesmerizing process is a testament to the fluidity and beauty of gold in its molten state. Cool and solidify. Allow the gold to cool and solidify completely. This is a slow and steady process where patience is key. Rushing this step can lead to cracks or other imperfections in the gold bar. This may take several hours depending on the size and thickness of your gold bar. The larger and thicker the bar, the longer it will take to cool and solidify. This waiting period is essential for ensuring the integrity of the gold. Avoid touching or moving the mold during this time. Any disturbance can cause imperfections or weaken the structure of the gold bar. Demold and admire. Once the gold has cooled, carefully demold your pure gold bar. This moment is the culmination of all your efforts, revealing the final product in all its glory. Marvel at its weight, its luster, and the transformation you've achieved. The gold bar is not just a piece of metal. It is a symbol of your dedication and craftsmanship. You've taken old, unworn jewelry, and given it new life as a stunning piece of pure gold. This transformation is a beautiful reminder of the value and potential hidden within seemingly ordinary items. This gold bar, born from the ashes of forgotten treasures, is a testament to the enduring allure of gold. It stands as a beacon of the timeless beauty and value that gold has represented throughout history. It is a symbol of transformation, a reminder that even from the seemingly mundane, something extraordinary can emerge. This gold bar is not just a product, it is a story of transformation, patience,